Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are about to tackle this heat damage. So from what we've learned or experienced over the years, like the dreadful heat damage, we're scared to even speak it, heat damage. So I want to talk about this today, and I'm gonna talk about it in a few videos too, so we can really talk about like the depth of heat damage, because people can look at heat damage in different ways. So the first thing I want to talk about is the damage itself. So technically, yes, it is a damage to your curl pattern, but as far as the growth of your hair, no, it's not damaging to that. Other factors play a role in that. So my big thing is if you are a person that loves your curls and want to keep them intact, yes, you want to prevent from getting heat damage. You want to be careful with how many times that you're silk pressing your hair. I recommend, if you're trying to keep your curls intact, once a month, and make it stretch, and make sure you have someone that you can trust to straighten your hair, because yes, you can still apply a good amount of heat to your hair, but you have to do it the safe and correct way, somebody that knows what they're doing. Now, if you're trying to maintain your hair to be straightened, if you don't care for your curls like that, like if you would rather have your hair natural and straightened versus having a relaxer to keep the health of your scalp and stuff, like not wanting to deal with chemicals like that, on that level, yes, it's okay to have straight pieces heat damage. But I feel like we're on the verge of changing that word, because heat damage is like a overall blanket, and that's not the case when it comes to natural hair and straightening it. But yeah, so like I said, if you're a person that would prefer to have your hair straight all the time and being natural, yes, like I said, once again, it is okay to have those straight pieces. So with that being said, I want to lead it into, if you are that type of person that wants to keep your hair straight all the time, I recommend doing it bi-weekly. And once again, making sure it is somebody that you can trust and a stylist that know what they are doing. Because when they know what they're doing, they're going to make sure your strands are safe. Especially with color treated hair, as you can see in this video, you have to be careful. So with that, like making sure when you're bi-weekly straightening your hair or straightening it, yeah, I recommend bi-weekly, but if you whenever keeping it straight like that, I recommend protein treatments once a month to keep your strands intact, because at the end of the day, you're applying a decent amount of heat to natural hair, and after a while it can become weak, and you want to make sure it's intact. So before all of that, once you shampoo and condition and stuff, I recommend making sure your hair is moisturized, doing deep conditioning treatments when getting your hair shampooed. I personally, and you don't have to go by this, if it was me that was getting my hair straightened twice a week, every time I get that shampoo, I'm booking a deep conditioner service each time. I don't care. I would book a deep conditioner bi-weekly, and get that good old protein treatment the fourth week in your monthly sessions. Like if you're getting that protein treatment once a month, I would get my deep conditioners bi-weekly and protein treatment once a month, so you could keep your strands intact, keep them moisturized. Even you can hydrate them if you want to, kind of mix that in there as well. But if you don't want to just necessarily do a hydration treatment, you can do hydration treatments at home. That just means making sure you're up on your water and You know, you can even mix it out. Like if you do a deep conditioner bi-weekly, you can do a deep conditioner 1 week. You can do a hydration treatment the other week, and then do your protein treatment. So you can have your hydration and your protein. I mean, hydration and your moisture and your protein. That's the 3 most pivotal components to keeping healthy hair. And most importantly, y'all, most of all, make sure your hair is trimmed. Make sure you are keeping it on a trim regimen, because y'all, you gotta remember, you're applying heat in an air state, which is blow dry, and you're applying heat in the flat iron, the plates. So you want to make sure those old, weak, brittle ends, split ends that do not need to be hanging on to your hair needs to come out, because they're dead weight. And if you keep that dead weight on your hair, it's gonna break the good hair. So stay up on your trims, on your moisture, and your protein treatments, and I feel like you will be successful in your straight hair process. Because let's be honest, especially these days, I've noticed that it's become a trend that people are straightening their hair more and want to wear it in a straight state. So with that being said, we should not frown upon them. That's their preference. My big thing is, I'm cool with relaxers because they've come a long way as well. Relaxers is more safer relaxers out there now, but me personally, I don't care for relaxers. I don't think it's safe for your scalp internally. I feel like it can have a unhealthy long haul, and if you can do without relaxers, do without them. But at the same time, if you have a lifestyle where you can't, deal with the upkeep of your hair in natural state, go get your relaxer. But yeah, so it's ways that you can wear your hair in natural state, straight state, and it'd be healthy. So I hope this helps y'all, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry. We got something special. But you want the whole world. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble